Today we are going to learn Introduction of PHP. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is used to create the dynamic websites. The extension of PHP file should be PHP. Why do we need to learn PHP? Because it has following features. We are going to use PHP in Windows operating system. There are many websites which are created with the help of PHP. Before learning PHP you should know HTML CSS, which is mandatory, and JavaScript is optional. We can use anyone from the following. We are going to use VS Code. Please subscribe the channel.